What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video. Just doing a quick update on the channel here, man. I know the last video I did was on that dual stereo, and I'll get to doing a review on that sometime soon here, man. But this will just be a quick little update, man. Just wanted to do an update on my truck. I had ordered some lights to swap out the front end when I first got the truck, and I've had these lights in for a little while, and I've never gotten around to actually opening the box. Well, I cut the top of the box open for the video here, but just doing a quick little update since I'm going to swap out the front end of my truck, and I wanted to do some halo projector lights and stuff like that, and LED on the turn signals. So I figured since I got these in, I might as well make a video out of it. And this is a huge box, so I think what I'm gonna do is let me get this stuff out of the boxes, and I'll go from there as far as unboxing and getting this huge box out the way. So give me just a second. All right, so this box is open, and these should be brand spanking new lights. So. So we went to a slightly smaller box here, but I guess I'll open these. I don't know what the hell that is. All right, so I don't know, man. I'm trying this camera on this iPhone and seeing what's up. It looks like it's kind of dark. But I want to see, I'm going to just go ahead and shoot this video and see what happens here, man. But these are my LED turn signals. So hopefully I'll be able to get these in today. At least that's the plan. Oh, so this should be my projector headlights. Let's see what we got here. Jesus. Okay. All right. Let me see what I'm working with. Give me just a second. All right, so that's the projector headlight right there. I should have the halos, LEDs on the end there. So, like I said, this will be a quick little simple unboxing. The other headlight is in there. I know y'all can't see it based on the way that box is sitting up a little bit. There's the other headlight. Goodness, I got stuff all over the place, man. I don't know where to put this. Okay, I think I'm gonna just leave that. No, it's gotta go. All right. Now, on top of me having these the halo headlights, basically what I wanted to do is everything on my front end is clear right now. I wanted to black it all out, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not sure. Honestly, like I said, this is my first time having a Tahoe, so this is gonna be some growing pains as far as figuring how to do this stuff, man. But I've been doing it for years, so it shouldn't be too big of an issue. But these here are some fog lights that I got, and since I got the Z71 package on my truck, it's got the circle lights, so there'll be a deal like this here. Let me unbox this one. All right, so there's my fog lights. Everything should have the smoke look. Those look to be a little bit darker than my other lights, but like I said, we'll see how that works out. And y'all know me. Anytime I first get a vehicle, one of the first things I do, if I can get this package open, one of the first things I do is put a HID kit in there. And this one, I wanted to be a little bit different than what I usually do. I usually get like a 30K kit. They don't have it on here. The 30K kit is more of a, yeah, it's a deep blue. It's like, look like you literally took a Smurf and just threw them in your mirrors or whatever. So in your mirrors, in your headlights. So this the headlight kit, and like I said, it's got a bunch of stuff all over the place, man. So I'll get these lights situated, go from there as far as doing an update once I get this stuff in the car, man. So give me a minute. This is the first time me messing with something like this. So once I'm able to go ahead and give y'all an update on the way I decide to run these things, I'll go from there. So stay tuned. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out.